All right, today we're gonna make some banana bread. All right, open up these bananas and throw them in the bowl. Here. All right, boom. We got 2 bananas. All right, mash them up real good.
Daddy, when I was done to make this.
Next, we're gonna take our eggs, throw them in there.
I don't want to do cracking
I'm
eggs.
gonna do the eggs.
Why don't I get to do anything?
There is 2. All right, mix that up. 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Daddy, I want them.
We're not putting sugar. Mommy's not eating sugar, so we will not be adding sugar. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt. There you go. You can dump it in there.
Why am I gonna mix? You won't get off the stool. But I'll stand on my stool.
All right, then we're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil.
I'm getting up here.
Get down.
Let's see what makes. Can I some fat?
No. I'm gonna do 1 cup of flour.
What is something? Some avena.
Easy, easy.
Oopsie, spit on you.
Yes. Eat some food too, baby.
Let's have it like this.
How's it looking? Oh, yeah.
But I can't see.
We're gonna set our oven to 325. 325.
Can we watch it, baby?
Now we'll take a little butter and coat our pan.
You want me to do that? What kind do
Go. And then it's bake time. This baby in there. Smells real good.
Oh, yeah. And is it good?
Oh, yes.
Perfect. I'm ready to. Is this made of avocados?
Oh, I like it. I like it.
I'm done. I'm done.
What do you think?
Delicious.
Delicious. Here you have it. Our little banana bread.